This Align Right Realty property video is presented by David Clark. This home has everything you need and more. Home shows like a model. Come see this beautiful immaculate move-in ready 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa located in one of the most sought-after areas in Wesley Chapel. This is a maintenance-free property which covers all outside exterior. Price is below market value due to seller is highly motivated to sell. This home has an open concept with brand new porcelain tile flooring, stainless steel appliances, extra large kitchen island with granite countertops and tile backsplash. Numerous upgrades include custom closets, pendant lighting, skylight, ceiling fans throughout west/remotes, screened lanai with triple sliding glass doors to enjoy indoor and outdoor living. Master and third bedroom have walk-in closets and double sinks in both bathrooms. Additional upgrades not listed due to space. All appliances are covered with American Home Shield Complete Plan. For more information, review the details below or contact David Clark at 813-512-2100.